Hello, I'm Clinton Johns. I'm the CEO of Phoenix Marine. We're sitting here today after a 5-week lockdown, and we've just started up this week. It's been challenging, but it's also been enjoyable to see people returning back from work, putting their masks on and getting on with the job of making a fantastic Xquisite X5 yacht. We're privileged in a way to be in South Africa, Cape Town, with a huge structure around us, together with South African Boat Building Export Council supporting us. As a group, we're getting stronger. We're coming out with far better ideas. We are really hitting it hard. We're going to make sure that we come out of the pandemic not only stronger, but better, leaner, and having an even faster, cleaner X5 yacht.
My name is Denzel Julius. I'm the production manager at Phoenix Marine. COVID-19 created a completely new norm in Phoenix Marine. We as Phoenix implemented a lot of processes. From a health and safety perspective, on arrival, staff will get to the gate. The temperature will be taken by security. They will then be moved to the screening facility where a COVID-19 officer will stand waiting for them, filling in the forms. Then they will make their way to the factory. In the factory, they will get a disposable overall, and then starting time, they will go onto the shop floor. There will either be a morning meeting with SOPs or toolbox talks that will be done. Otherwise, they will immediately go and start their shift. During the shift, there will be a COVID officer and a cleaner, cleaning officers, cleaning handrails, cleaning areas, pollution facilities, and make sure that everything is clean and safe for the employees. Next to the boat, we have some washing stations where staff will come. When they come off the boat, they can wash their hands. When they come from wherever they come from or from their workbench, they can wash their hands and sanitize their hands. And we implemented a pegboard where we can exactly implement the social distancing on our vessels, where everybody is marked up on the pegboard where they work on their shift. We as Phoenix Marine can assure everybody that if they must walk into Phoenix's yard, they will be safe, they will be screened right in front by the security. Visitors, suppliers, deliveries, whatever, can come to our factory with the peace of mind that we are COVID-19 ready.
Kobe Matthews, Primary Assembly Team Leader.
How does it feel to be back at work?
It actually feels amazing, but my body is just a little bit tired of all the resting that I did. But to be back here, it actually feels great.
They're taking all the necessary precautions with sanitizers and...
Yeah, I actually think what here at our factory, Phoenix Marine, we actually did, I think, 95%. We are, I think, not where we need to be, but on the safety aspect, yeah, we are somewhere up there. But we can do better. We just need to keep ourselves safe and keep on chatting about it to other people inside the factory. And yeah, we're good. I think 95% we're there.